Let's say you create a sales report with a table like this. Now it is time for you to add up all these numbers above and place them here as total. Now you usually have two options. One is to use a calculator and add all these numbers and write the number here. It is boring, laborious and error prone. The other option is to take the data to Excel, write a formula to add up all the numbers, then copy the table, come back to Word and stick it in the document. Again, an inefficient process. But do you know that MS Word has a native option called Formula Tool that allows you to add these numbers directly inside Word quickly? Let me show you how. But before that, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com, the creator of Complete Word Foundation course. The link to the product is in the description box below the video. To enter the sum, first click on the cell where you want to enter the sum. Then go to Layout, which is a contextual tab. The difference is the color of the text here is blue, whereas the usual Layout tab has black color. This contextual tab is what we want. Then you go to Formula. The necessary formula is already inserted by Word. You just need to say OK. Now the sum is written here. It is that simple. If you are someone who needs to perform this operation multiple times because you have a number of tables in your report and you need to have the numbers summed up, then you can have a dedicated tool called Autosum tool added onto your quick access toolbar. For that, you go to the quick access toolbar. It is the toolbar that is below the ribbon here. Right click on the ribbon and go to Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Then go here to All Commands. Select any of the tools, it doesn't really matter. And then enter SUM. So that will take you to Sum. You have the tool here. You select that and you say Add. Now that tool is added to your Quick Access Toolbar. You say OK. Now let me delete this and use the function. So here I select the specific cell. Then go to Sum and automatically the value is inserted. If you want to go through a comprehensive course on MS Word, please click on the link in the description box below to find our Complete Word Foundation course. In the meantime, if you want to learn all the essentials of MS Word in under 30 minutes and impress your bosses and colleagues, then we have just the right video for you right here. Just click on the link, watch the video and pick up some impressive Word tips that you can use in creating your next document. Even experienced users of MS Word are finding this tutorial quite helpful. So go ahead, click, watch and learn MS Word right now.